Hi guys, welcome back. What do you think? Looks good so far. This is what you want to see. Got a long way to go, but I'm going to reach the goal. So I plan on using this roller string and 2 screws to level the fence pickets. I didn't have to do it here, but I will do it on the other side of the 2x4s, from there all the way down. I want them nice and leveled. I don't want the work to look sloppy. So I'm going to put my best foot forward, right? And Empire for the win. Might as well use a string level. Makes sense, right? We'll try it out. Look at the rose bushes. Can't get enough of them. They're starting to bloom. Great sign. All right, let's get back to the main attraction, the fence. Let's do it. Okay, I'll start the line here. There's my equipment. And I'm trying to keep the remaining pickets consistent with the pickets already screwed in. So here's my screw, or here, whatever works. I'll just run the line all the way down, and I'll use the line level. Oh yeah, scratch that idea. Don't like it at all. Little too tedious. I'd rather use the 48-inch Masterforce level from Menards. Oh yeah, now this works. Ran into a problem. The pickets are starting to slant, so I have to unscrew them. What I'll do is level each one. You know, I was putting them close together so you wouldn't see a gap, but I have to level each one. Wow, amazing. This is what I wanted to see. Almost perfect. You know, if you didn't know any better, you would have thought I bought the whole panel from the store. Man, I can't believe I did this. This is exactly how I wanted it. Exactly. Okay, I lost daylight, but it'll all be worth it in the end. All the hard work, everything I did, the store runs, the concrete, everything. It'll all be worth it. Man, I'm really pleased and anxious to see how this will turn out. Could I have finished yesterday? Maybe, but again, I'm measuring each picket because the ground isn't leveled, so it's going to take longer than expected. But again, guys, I'm doing it by myself. I'm sure there are some who would say, why don't you just put up 3, then check for leveling? For me, I think one at a time is best. And here's where I'm at. It's winding down. Looks great. It almost looks like a professional did this job. Then again, you might see some fence installs that might not look this good. Man, nice. It looks nice. One looks a little higher than the other, but that's okay. I can fix that. No problem. 2 more pickets to go, you think? 2, and I'm done? Maybe? I hope. Let's check. Might have a little issue there. Looks nice all the way down. Wow. And you know what? This will certainly add value to the home. Trust me. Let's wrap it up. So I used the Ryobi reciprocating saw to cut down a couple of the posts. Just want them even. Even the hand saw at one point. Okay, got them down. No problem. Let me ask you guys a question and leave your answers in the comments. How much do you think it's worth? What would you pay for someone to come out and do this? All right. Anyway, moving forward, I had an issue over here. So I went all the way down, but I had to come back. I had to take these pickets off and start here because I couldn't make a piece right there. So I had to pretty much double back. But again, it worked out well. Just in case you were wondering why I was trying to level those posts. Now you know. I had to add the finishing touches. Solar lights. Oh yeah. Got them from Amazon. Look nice. Great addition. Looks like a whole different world over here now. Oh, yeah. They're warm, by the way, not LED. Something I forgot to share with you. You see the second post and this post? It's not exactly 8 feet of distance between the two. I had to compensate for the neighbor's chain link. I had to meet up with it. So they're like 10 feet apart from each other. But that's okay. You wouldn't even notice anyway. But I'm being honest. And honestly, I'm amazed. Can't believe I did it. And it means a whole lot more because I did it with my bare hands. You know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.